Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel. In the second part of the video, how to style a small living room on a budget, we are diving deeper into the art of maximizing style without maxing out credit card. Get ready to transform your cozy corner into a chic heaven with tips and tricks that prove elegance doesn't have to be expensive. So grab your notepad and let's create magic in our small spaces together. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think, so please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Decorating a small living room can be both a challenge and an opportunity. When done correctly, it can transform even the tiniest of spaces into a cozy and functional heaven. The key lies in striking the balance between aesthetic appeal and practicality, all while staying within a budget. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are looking for ways to create a welcoming environment without overspending. This is where budget-friendly living room styling comes into play. Creating a stylish living room on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality or comfort. With some creativity and strategic planning, you can achieve a space that feels both luxurious and homey. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or anyone looking to refresh their living area without a hefty price tag, budget-friendly solution can provide the perfect answer. The process involves making thoughtful choices about furniture, decor, and layout to maximize the room's potential. Moreover, a well-styled small living room can significantly impact your daily life. It can serve as a retreat where you unwind after a long day, a space where you entertain friends and family, or simply a place that reflects your personal style. By focusing on budget-friendly options, you can explore a variety of styles and trends without feeling constrained by financial limitations. As we delve into the tips and ideas for styling a small living room on a budget, you'll discover practical advice on selecting affordable furniture, utilizing DIY decor, and making the most out of every square foot. These insights will empower you to create a space that is not only beautiful and functional but also uniquely yours. Stay tuned as we explore the various aspects of budget-friendly living room styling in the sections that follow. Embarking on a journey to style a small living room on a budget begins with a thorough assessment of your space and financial parameters, where measurement are vital. Start by measuring the dimension of your living room, noting the light, width, and height. This will not only help you understand the available space but also assist in making informed decisions when purchasing furniture and decor items. Next, identify key areas that need attention. This could include the seating arrangements, storage solutions, lighting, and focal points, such as a fireplace or a large window. Visual inspection of your living room can reveal its strengths and weaknesses. For example, if the room feels cramped, consider how to maximize vertical space or create a more open layout. If storage is an issue, explore multifunctional furniture option that provides both aesthetic appeal and practical storage solutions. Once you have a clear understanding of your space, it's time to set a budget. Begin by assessing your financial situation. Determine how much you can realistically allocate to this project without straining your finances. It's crucial to be honest with yourself about what you can afford. A well-defined budget will guide your purchasing decision and help you prioritize essential items over non-essential decor. To make the most of your budget, consider allocating funds to the most impactful area first. For instance, investing in a comfortable sofa or versatile storage units can significantly enhance both the functionality and visual appeal of your living room. Additionally, keep an eye on out of for the sale, discounts, and second hand options. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and clearance sales can offer budget-friendly funds that do not compromise on style. By meticulously assessing your space and setting a realistic budget, you lay a solid foundation for transforming your small living room into a stylish and functional heaven, all while staying within your financial limits. Choosing the right color palette is a foundational step when styling a small living room on a budget. The colors you select can quickly impact the perception of space, making a compact area feel more expansive and inviting. Light and neutral colors are particularly effective in this regard, as they reflect more light and create an airy, open feel. Shades such as white, soft grays, and beiges serve as excellent base colors, providing a versatile canvas that can easily be enhanced with other hues. Incorporating accent colors is another technique to add personality and depth without overwhelming the room. This can be introduced through accessories such as throw pillows, rugs, and artwork for colors that complement your base palette while adding a touch of vibrancy. For instance, A serene gray living room can be an even with pops of teal or mustard. This approach allows for flexibility as accent pieces can be swapped out seasonally or whenever you feel like a change, all without the need for major expenditures. In summary, selecting a thoughtful color palette is crucial in styling a small living room on a budget. By using light and neutral base colors, adding strategic accent hues, and employing cost-effective paint or wallpaper solutions, you can transform a compact space into a stylish and welcoming environment. These techniques not only enhance the visual appeal but also make the room feel larger and more cohesive. Decorating a small living room on a budget can be both a fun and rewarding challenge. Embracing DIY decor project and upcycling ideas allows you to infuse your space with personality and creativity without breaking the bank. Here are some ingenious ways to transform your living room using inexpensive materials and a bit of imagination. Make your own artwork. Creating your own artwork is an excellent way to personalize your living room. Start by gathering materials such as canvas, paint, and brushes, which can be found at local craft stores or online at affordable prices. Abstract paintings are particularly popular and easy to create. Simply choose a color palette that complements your existing decor and let your creativity flow. Alternatively, you can frame fabric, swatches, or wallpaper samples for a unique and budget-friendly art piece. Utilizing inexpensive materials to craft unique decor pieces can significantly enhance the ambience of your living room. Mason jars, for example, can be transformed into charming candle holders or vases. Wrap them in twine or lace for a rustic touch or paint them to match your color scheme. Wine cork can be turned into coasters or pulled in boards, while wooden pallets can be repurposed into coffee tables or wall art. The possibilities are endless and limited by only your imagination. By incorporating these DIY, decor project, and cycling ideas, you can create a stylish and personalized living room without exceeding your budget. Not only will this project save your money, but they will also provide a sense of accomplishment and individuality to your space. And there you have it, friends. You've just unlocked the secret to styling a small living room that's big in character and light on the wallet. Remember, creativity is limitless and your living room is the canvas. Thank you for joining me on this budget-friendly design journey. If you love these tips, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow decor lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more savvy styling hacks. Until next time, keep making your home as unique as you are. Bye for now.